Barry McFerrin once again on the after thing, and he's holding up one of the products I use, which is what you got there, Barry? Hold that up so I can see that. That's Imperial Touch Shaving Gel, Mandy's Products Company, and you know, we use different products here, and you get that super close shave. And you know, we just spinning them all around here, and we got a 360 going on, and that'll be that for the day. And along with that Imperial Touch Shave Gel, you know, you always use the Imperial Touch Razor Bump Salute. And this is